Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Logitech BRIO. This is a 4K webcam by Logitech, and we're gonna see basically just what is inside of the package. So let's take a look. Alright, so let's see here. First off, we get the webcam. It's in this sort of package right here. Let's see if we can take it out. We can. Alright, pretty nice feel to it. Not too heavy. We can see the USB-C. Okay, let's remove the tape there. Alright, so here we can also see that you have this place where you can put it on the screen so you can record. And this is also adjustable, so you can put it like this, place it on the monitor and record yourself. We have some more adjustable things right there. Okay, very nice. So let's see what else we got in the box. Okay, so we get this box inside. Here we get a USB-C to USB-A cable. And we get this sort of plastic cover where you can put your webcam, Logitech BRIO inside. And otherwise, we get a manual, of course, of how to set up and how it works, how you can put it on the monitor, how you can put it on a stand, and just some overall manuals. And here we get an extra stand. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about it? Does it look good? And would you buy this device? It's a 4K webcam. Do you think it's worth it? I'm actually going to do a review very soon of if it actually is worth to get a 4K webcam for your daily webcam needs. So stay tuned for that. See you. Bye.